Hi, everybody. Welcome back to today's edition of Blockchain and Crypto with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It's April 15th, 24 hours after Coinbase has listed publicly in the US on the NASDAQ. We reached, I believe, just over $420 per share yesterday, and then came back down today to just under $375 and kind of shifting back and forth from there. But nonetheless, congratulations to the entire Coinbase team and to the community, as we spoke about yesterday. Big day for everybody. Very exciting. But before we jump into today's headlines, because the news just keeps going, big shout out to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode of Blockchain and Crypto Today with Kyle Ellicott happen. Also check out LATOKEN.com to hear from me on more news every day, along with all the services that are offered, and VCTV, where we'll have investors from around the world break these topics down I'm about to go through. Today, we're talking about early stage investing on both sides, as investors, as entrepreneurs, and we might even get a little to tokenization as well. With that, let's get into the rundown of what's happening around the world of blockchain crypto. First up, DeFi Pulse. According to the website, DeFiPulse.com, DeFi Total Value Lock, TVL, has reached yet another all-time high, pushing above $57.8 billion. Now, we talked yesterday about this, how this was reaching new highs yesterday and the day before, around $54 billion, and now we're over $57.8 billion. Now, for reference, 1 year ago to date, we had not yet crossed 1 billion. We were setting right around $795 million. So think about the amount of development in protocols, networks, applications, everything in the decentralized finance space that has happened over the last 12 months to boost us almost 58x from where we were a year ago, last year. Exciting. All right, with that, Miami commissioner has recently come out and said, hey, let's allow residents to pay taxes in Bitcoin. According to a document acquired by the Miami Times, county commissioner, I won't give the name, but there's this particular county commissioner, has brought a resolution to Miami-Dade's Infrastructure Operations Innovations Committee, calling for the establishment of a 13-member crypto task force. The task force would examine the feasibility of allowing residents to pay their county taxes, as well as for fees and services using digital currencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin LTC as well. So this is something we've continued to see Miami try to push forward, along with making it a really crypto haven for many around the industry, leveraging the digital currencies when it comes to infrastructure, et cetera. We also had FTX and the team there sponsor and get the naming rights to the NBA stadium within Miami as well. So this all could come to happen very quickly. Stay tuned. One of Europe's largest investment banks has issued security tokens on Tezos. This is the first security token that the financial behemoth has launched and also has put together around Tezos. According to recent announcements, the move constitutes, again, the first asset offered by the investment bank, and also shows its move towards a full spectrum cryptocurrency market operation by 2022. Now, we've seen more announcements from the financial world and financial institutions moving into this 2022 trading full ops. We have a full division focused on this. So 2022, first and second quarter should be very wild for us as an industry. And then lastly, Europe's second largest insurance firm, AXA, which we've heard a lot about in this space, has now become Switzerland's first insurer to offer its customers the option to pay their bills in Bitcoin as well. And this is in collaboration with Bitcoin Cease. So again, congratulations to them. Bitcoin payments will be accepted for nearly all of AXA's products, except for life insurance, due to regulatory barriers as well. So with that, that's the quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today. I know more news is going to drop tomorrow. More will probably come out later today, as it seems to be an exciting canon of news. So follow us on LATOKEN.com and VCTV as we bring investors to break all this down. And also follow me on Twitter to hear more about today's news and all news covering all corners of this industry as well. With that, everyone have a wonderful day. Again, a big thank you to LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode. We'll see you here in a few minutes on VCTV. Check you out soon. Bye, everybody.